I'm currently going to be a senior at the University of Michigan. I'm from a really small department there called Climate and Space Sciences and Engineering, or CLASP.
My name is Ethan Bose. I'm from Arcadia, Ohio. I go to the Ohio Northern University in Ada, studying mechanical engineering. I'm a sophomore.
My name is Miranda Benjamin, and I am studying architectural engineering at the University of Cincinnati.
All right, my name is Austin McDougall-Tasva. I'm an intern at INTERN. I am currently a mechanical engineering student at University of Michigan, and I'm a senior. INTERN has rotations, and those rotations are construction, project planning, technology, research and development, and regulatory. And I felt like that would give me a little bit more of an opportunity to figure out what it is I like in mechanical engineering.
I watched a presentation my sophomore year that Jesse and Jordan gave about what INTERN is, what they do, and I just got really excited about it. In school, I'm also doing a thing called Program in Sustainable Engineering, or PIES. So I really thought that this opportunity would be a really cool way for me to kind of combine my interests in meteorology, engineering, and also sustainable engineering. So that was a really big reason why I chose to do this, and also just hearing about all the different opportunities that I could get as a student doing this internship. As a meteorology major, I don't get the opportunity to do hands-on stuff in construction and things like that. And so I really thought it'd be a really great way for me to figure out what I like, what I don't like, and maybe what direction I'd want to go with my life. So.
It's a pretty big part of the community, being local, from the local area. It's always been pretty cool to look out window and see the turbines, so I figured it'd be cool to see the inner workings and behind everything.
This is my second summer at INTERN. I've been here for a little over a year now. How much I learned in my first one, I think that I saw the responsibility was there and everything that I did really mattered for the company, and I really loved that about my internship last summer. So I wanted to get more and get to dive deeper into what INTERN does, and what we do is really cool. So I loved learning about it.
So far, I'd say going up and checking the turbines, it's pretty fun. I went down to Greenville while I was on construction, went up to the top and was working in the nacelle, getting everything all finished up there. That was pretty cool.
I got to sort of on my own look at the different wake losses for turbines in a study through the Jensen model and the eddy viscosity model, and while Liz did help me a lot along the way, it was kind of one of the first times that I was given a project that I could just figure out for myself. And then after I ran through all the data, got all that output, I was able to figure out, what the best way would be to present that data. I got to write a report about it from scratch, and it was just overall a really great opportunity to be able to do for myself and figure out, okay, I know how to write research papers, I know how to do these things from school, but how do you put that in sort of an industry mindset, and how can this output help us with what we do on a daily basis? So that's why that was my favorite project.
I got to do a couple of really cool things in construction. I was able to help call in tower sections and erect a turbine, and then actually just yesterday I was up in the nacelle while they were flying the rotor, so that was really neat.
So INTERN gives a lot of responsibility actually to interns. There are no projects that are meaningless.
I have a lot of friends that do a lot of internships at different places, and I've never heard any of them say that they are given the type of responsibility that interns here are given. I truly feel like the tasks that I'm given on a daily basis are tasks that really matter to the company. Our interns get the opportunity to, work on initial evaluations, work on detailed evaluations, do studies that will impact the company in one way or another, whether that's internally helping us figure things out better or going out to customers. I don't know, it's pretty incredible to know that what I'm doing really, really matters to the company and is making a difference for them. So that's something that's been really exciting while working here too.
Be open to new things and don't take anything for granted. If someone's trying to teach you something, they're probably trying to teach you because you're going to be doing it next. So make sure that you ask a lot of questions, take a lot of notes, and yeah, the typical advice.
I'd say just come in here and with an open mind and be ready to work. Definitely get put to the grindstone every once in a while, so can't be afraid of a challenge.